Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a little special treat for you guys. Today you're gonna get a two for one. Today I'm gonna be reviewing 2 units from Love Me Here. So without any further ado, let's just jump into this video. Okay, so the first unit is this Yaky blunt cut bang bob. Now, you guys are always leaving me messages saying, oh, every wig looks good on you. But one thing for certain, 2 things for sure, every unit does not look good on me. Units that do not look good on me are bangs. So why am I reviewing this unit? It's a challenge. I'm challenging myself to step out of my comfort zone. I really hate how bangs look on me, but I do like how this unit look on other people. So even if y'all don't like how it looks on me, give it a try. It has great reviews, and best of all about both of these units I'm reviewing for you guys today, they are very affordable, okay? Some of them, depending on the price, may come in under $100. So make sure you keep watching. So before I try this on, I want to show you the inside of this unit. As you can see, it is a middle part unit. It's not like a full lace inside. And basically that's because the only part you're going to see is the parting space. So it kind of doesn't make any sense. This is a bang, it's going to cover the front. And it is Yaky, like I mentioned, and it is cut blunt. The length I chose, I think this is a 10-inch, but it does come in a shorter 8-inch, and it also comes in, I believe, a 12-inch as well. So if you want something shorter or longer, you'll have those options as well. Without further ado, let me go ahead and try this unit on. Oh, wait a minute. Hold up, wait a minute. This is cute. She is cute. So I am going to use my hot comb just to kind of flatten this top really quickly. Okay, so that was easy. Talk about a throw it and go. Okay. That's another reason why I selected this unit. This was supposed to be my unit that I wear for like when I throw on my hats, but I actually like it. I am shocked. I actually like it. It is kind of Dora-ish, but it is, but then it kind of isn't. Let me see. Let me play with this wig, the bang. Do y'all like it better pulled back? I'm gonna need y'all input. Or push forward. I think I might like push forward a little bit better. Let me go grab some earrings. I'll be right back. Okay, dolls, so I went ahead and added my earrings, and I think I looked at it a little bit too long, and I'm not really sure if I like it anymore, but it's a sleek wig. Regardless of how it looks on me, I'm sure it will probably look good on you. I really love the fact that it's a blunt cut. The blunt cut bobs be giving, okay? The blunt cut bob gives, I have an 800 credit score, okay? I don't take any mess. No, I'm serious. Something about a blunt cut bob that just seems so posh and plush and it screams rich. But this wig is not. Okay, so that's the first wig. Let's go ahead and jump into the second one. Now it's time for the other wig, and that's this beauty right here. Guys, take a look at this color. OMG. This ash blonde is ideal. This is a perfect beginner's wig. You guys see it has that little parting space in the front, and it has the lace across the front. It does come plucked already. This is pre-plucked, and it has the adjustable elastic band. Everything is pretty much done for you. So let's go ahead and throw it on. And I am going to add some concealer to the parting space area and along the front. Straight out the box, ladies and gentlemen. Out the box to out the door, okay? What do you guys think? I like this. I really like this color. This is a perfect ash blonde, especially for women of color. Ash blondes just seems to be a color that the companies just don't really get. It'd be a hit or miss, but this one is definitely a hit. And I'm so surprised to see this on such an inexpensive unit. I don't want to call it cheap because I like inexpensive, but I don't like cheap. This unit, to be honest, I think is a great bang for your buck. So the dimensions of this, so this is a 10-inch, and as you guys can see, it's a blunt cut, and it has the ombre color at the roots. I think I'm gonna add some concealer to the parting space. Let me turn around so you guys can see what it looks like from the back. So this is how it looks straight. And I do want to give you like a little caveat. They do sell this unit curled. So you can purchase this unit either in a straight form, like how I'm wearing it right now, or you could purchase it curls. Luckily, it was some mishaps, so they actually sent me a curled wig. So I am going to insert it so you guys can get an idea on what that looks like. Okay, so this is what the unit will look like straight out the box. It'll already come pre-curled, and all you have to do is throw it on. This particular unit is in a 12-inch just for length references, but in all honesty, between the 10 and the 12-inch, it's not really that big of a difference. And this unit is available in 8, 10, and 12 inches as well. And this is what it looks like if you add some spiral curls in it. Can you tell I didn't know how to use my spiral curler? But you get the gist. I'm not gonna lie, my first thoughts was that buy it curled and then, you know, you could wear it straight, and of course you can always curl it back up if you want. But I've since changed my mind. I think you should buy the unit straight, because I had an issue with the curl unit. In full transparency, that's why I have 2 of these units. The curl unit, the cut wasn't as crisp as it is right now, and I think it's harder for them to realize the cut when it's curled. So just to play it safe, I would just suggest ordering it straight. You could always throw some curls in the unit. It literally will take you no time to do it. So guys, purchase links will be linked in the description box down below, and be sure and leave me a name for both of these units and let me know which one you like the best. And I did pick a name for the unit I reviewed in my last video. The new name, as well as the person who submitted the name, will be listed across the screen. So dolls, hope you find this video helpful. Be sure and hit that subscribe button if you're not already part of the faithful fam. And if it be God's will, I'll catch you in my next video. Take care now.